언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life.
Morning guys, I just woke up. It's like 11 right now. As you can tell, I'm not feeling too great. I think I have some sort of like sinus infection because I've just been really congested, like in my chest, my head, throat pain, and a really bad cough. So just been nursing this like cold or whatever it is for the past few days. I keep thinking that it's COVID, but I keep testing negative, so it's not. I'm gonna try to use this week to really just rest and catch up on sleep. I'm going to so many events from Outside Lands, Drake, Blackpink, and we've just been doing a lot. So I'm excited to just have a chill week and take it easy and to share with you guys what like a normal week in my life at home looks like, and our grocery order for the week through Instacart. So I'm gonna finish doing that and then get up and get ready. I just ate my vitamins, ate an apple, and now I'm gonna take some Mucinex. Taking Sudafed the past few days, and I don't feel like it's helping me as fast. I was texting a couple of my girlfriends, and so many people said that they have a ton of Our Costco delivery just came. I just ordered a few more things. Yeah, everyone is sick right now. It's so crazy. What's even crazier is most people are getting COVID again. I totally thought that I had COVID too because super sick. I have all this insane congestion, this deep cough. I've tested 4 times now and I'm negative every single time. So I think I just have like a really bad cold. And the other thing is I can't taste. So that's why I'm like, this has to be COVID, but I think I'm just so congested. Anyways, I'm gonna take my Mucinex and hopefully this makes me feel better. And then I'm gonna make some banana bread because we have these really old, these are our bananas. They look disgusting because whenever you put it in the fridge, it turns super brown, but I need to use those. So I'm gonna make some banana bread. Okay, quick Costco haul. Bok choy, we love our bok choy. These grapes are phenomenal. We got them on Friday and they were so good that I had to order them.
Watermelons.
Which are my favorite fruit.
Chicken!
Yeah. Organic chicken thighs. I want to use it to make like maybe real fun. Hopefully these watermelons are good. I ordered it from Costco delivery, so.
Apparently, in order to be a dad, a successful dad, you need to be able to pick your watermelons. And I've heard
Who says that?
My dad. I have 2 tricks of the trade that I've learned from the older generation, which I'm still learning to apply to practice. One is you have to touch its like little like patch area and see if it's like, you want it like firm, but not too firm. You want to be able to press in a little bit. That's a sign of a good watermelon. The other sign is if you hit it, give you like a robust hollow sound, which means that it's probably juicy.
So how does that one sound?
I think it sounds pretty good.
Oh, okay.
They both sound pretty good.
Well, just cut into them and they both suck. More groceries. So I feel like Costco, you can't get everything, especially we're just 2 people, so we don't need like that much stuff. I supplement Costco with like Sprouts or Safeway. Talked about this before, my favorite almond milks and cucumbers. I love this barista almond milk for coffee and matcha, cilantro. My favorite yogurt, brown chicken for either pasta or dandan mian. Favorite pickles, her favorite drink, chlorophyll water, and lemon and cayenne pepper drink. Second bag, current favorite cereal, healthy raisin bran. Babe, look, I got you more of this.
Thank you.
Pasta sauce, basil in case I want to make 3-cup chicken, broccoli, pasta. I love this brand. I don't think it's necessarily like healthy. It's not healthy, but it's just normal pasta. But I think their noodles are really good and chewy. And then some romaine hearts. For pasta, I was on a Bonza kick, which is chickpea pasta. It's like healthier, higher in protein. But then Tim had, I don't think it was to the Bonza, but he had like really bad food poisoning this one night where pasta sauce that my mom had made and then Bonza pasta. So now I'm like terrified of Bonza. My mom made us some more pasta sauce recently. She was like really scared that Tim was gonna have some reaction to it again, but he didn't. So it's not the pasta sauce. So I don't know if it was Bonza or something else that he had eaten, but bad reaction. So now I'm too scared to buy Bonza. So I just stick to the yummier one anyway.
This is a setback.
That was crazy. We just watched all 3 episodes and it was really good. I remember last year when it was actually happening live, we kind of followed it, but not super closely. So it was really interesting to see Netflix's like recap of it all. I think obviously as a woman, initially the gut reaction is to support Amber Heard. And so I was like, I bet it's Johnny Depp's fault. But I think as, the trial went on, you start to see all the different things that she's saying, all the different pieces of evidence coming out. I feel like she's just like putting on a show. What are your thoughts?
On what?
On Depp versus Heard.
Depp versus Heard. Neither of them are innocent.
Yeah.
Like, I think they both definitely verbally and probably physically abused each other at some point.
And to some extent.
Yeah. But I think she took it way too far. Like,
yeah.
With her op-ed, with trying to position herself as like the face of Me Too throughout the course of the trial. Like, everyone in the courtroom, the jury, but also the people in the court of public opinion on social media, like everyone kind of saw through that.
Yeah. I think she just really like dramatized and over-exaggerated everything that happened, and I feel like trying to fully play the victim.
Just kind of grasping at straws. She just got caught in this huge over-exaggeration. At the end of the day, when he sued her for defamation of his name, like, and won, that was probably a fair outcome. I just don't think there's any innocence here, but on the
both
pure
parties were on
that. Both parties, but on the pure grounds of her just going way too far, and like really slandering his name and making herself seem like a pure innocent victim, and just like someone who embodies like the rest of the Me Too movement, like, and I think we saw that too, where a lot of these victims. They wrote a letter against her saying, like, you don't stand with us, you don't represent us. In fact, what you did here on such a large public scale has set us all back, you know, decades.
Yeah, because some of these actual, like, domestic violence survivors, they were saying some of the things that she was saying in the trial, like, a true survivor would never say. I think everyone just felt like she was kind of taking this movement and she was trying to, lead it. She had never gone through some of the trauma that some of these other survivors had gone through. I really recommend watching if you guys haven't already. And I think I'm gonna call it a night. My banana bread took a fat nap in the afternoon, and then got up and then filmed some content. I'm working with Black Forest gummy bears, which I love. I'm working with them on some TikTok, so I was filming some content for that, and then we watched this. So that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Morning, guys. I am about to take all my medicine. I woke up, was feeling pretty much the same as I felt the past few days, so I decided to do one of those like online video doctor visits. Doctor told me it's just a cold. I was like freaking out because I was like Googling all these things, and I was like, oh my God, what if it's this? What if it's that? It's just a cold. I went and changed my top because I was just feeling extra not cute in that white t-shirt. I have a little bit of fruit here that I'm munching on. Okay. I'm so happy I have my taste back. As a foodie, that's like the worst thing when you can't taste, because everything just like is so bland and it's just really sad. So happy I can taste the apples, the watermelon. So grateful. It's just so crazy though that this isn't COVID, because I feel like all the symptoms are very COVID-like. What cold makes you not able to taste? I'm like, isn't that COVID? I am feeling so much better today. I took all my medicine yesterday and woke up feeling good today. So I'm starting with some yogurt and I eat that. I'm still feeling a little bit congested, so I'm gonna take some medicine for that. And then the doctor prescribed me some pills for my cough, so I'm gonna take that. Hopefully today I can get out, go for a nice walk. The weather in the city has been super nice, so I've been really sad that I've been missing out on it, but I wanna go out for a walk, maybe get a little Starbucks, and we'll see where the day takes us. It's a little bit later. I filmed some content, edited some stuff, submitted a couple pieces of content that were due today, and I am feeling good. So I ordered myself a little Starbucks, so let's go pick it up. I always alternate between the matcha cold foam and the pumpkin spice cold foam. Just picked up my Starbucks. So good. So freaking hot outside. I was like sweating walking to Starbucks and back, but it feels really nice to get a little bit of sun, a little bit of a walk in, and now I'm gonna do some chores, bunch of dishes to clean up, and then I have a watermelon in the fridge. I have a little YouTube video going, and I'm gonna get to work. Since I'm chopping things anyways, I'm just gonna prep some stuff for dinner. Tonight, I'm gonna make 3-cup chicken, which is one of my favorite Chinese recipes. And then I'm gonna stir fry some bok choy. I'm gonna prep the veggie, do the meat later when I'm about to cook. Time to make dinner. I'm gonna make senbeiji 3-cup chicken, which is 1 cup sesame oil, 1 cup soy sauce, 1 cup Chinese cooking wine. A pretty simple recipe. It's really delicious. And so I'm gonna start off by prepping all these chicken thighs. It's roughly chopped. I'm gonna dry it. Here's dinner. 3-cup chicken. I made it so well today. I'm so proud of myself. And then some bok choy. And then Tim's gonna have rice, and I'm not gonna have any rice, but that's it. Smells amazing. I look normal again. I finally got dressed, finally did my makeup. I need to get my lashes filled so badly. That's happening next week, but finally did some makeup and put on a cute outfit. We're heading to dinner with some influencer friends, actually. They're new influencer friends. I've seen them at
the past couple events I've been at. So we're finally getting dinner. Tim's coming, and her husband are both influencers. So I'm really excited to get to know them better. And we're going to try Nari, which I've heard amazing things about. I think it has 1 Michelin star, and it's the sister restaurant to King Cow. I will say though, everyone loves King Cow, and I've been 2 or 3 times, and every single time I've been, I just feel like the food is way too spicy, and I eat pretty spicy. I don't love King Cow, so it makes me a little bit nervous for their sister restaurant Nari, but I don't know. I'm open, so we'll give it a try, and I'm excited to take you guys with me. We're here.
Welcome
Oh. Wait.
Never mind.
Yeah, I was confused by that. Oh. Made it to Friday. We have a little guest here. Let me show you guys. Sleepy. He's so passed out. He is 18 years old.
Yeah, he's 18.
Tim's family dog.
I grew up with him.
Yeah, his name's Sunny. I'm only spending like a week with him, so I'm gonna start another vlog now. So if you guys want to see our week with Mr. Sunny, go check out my next vlog. So I'm gonna end this one now. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.